Hi guys, Suela here from Expressive Brush Art Studio. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to work with oil pastels. Oil pastels are cheap, they're easy to control and easy to work with. They're perfect for artists for all ages and skill levels because of their particular composition that they have, or the way that they're made. It allows you to create amazing effect and beautiful texture. I found that they're very easy when you blend them with oil. You can use any type of oil. I've used just regular cooking oil here, and you can blend this with a napkin. So all I do is, after I use the pastel, for example, I'm going to use it on the trees. And then after you use the pastel, what you do is you blend this with oil, and it creates this very nice smooth texture. But if you like to leave it the way it is, then I wouldn't blend it with oil if you like the texture. Oil is usually used when you want to create smooth surfaces. You can use oil pastels in paper. You can use it in smooth paper. I have used it also on canvas as well, and it works both ways.